All right, YouTube, welcome to the video. So in this video, I just want to share with you guys a 3D printing project that I haven't got a chance to work on. Now, I 3D printed this a while back. So this is Kratos' axe, and the detailing on this print is amazing. So what I used to 3D print this, and by the way, I also 3D printed this in smaller pieces, as you guys can see. So I pretty much welded these two parts together already a while back. But yeah, I still have a lot of putting together to do. So Kratos' axe, what I used to 3D print this is, of course, none other than my Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes. So I got 3 of them, as you guys can see. And what I love about the Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes is that you can 3D print large prints with this 3D printer. And I believe the max speed that you're able to do with the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max is 500 millimeters per second, which is awesome. Now, as you guys can see, I do have another project underway, so I will leave this for a different video. But yeah, I love 3D printing helmets and also props. And here's another print that I also just got done recently, 3D printing. And this is a part of that helmet that you guys just saw just a few seconds ago. But yeah, I mean, the quality that you're able to 3D print with the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max is awesome. I mean, I got 3 of them, and I got 3 of them for a reason. I mean, the prints that you're able to achieve with the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max is amazing. I mean, look at this. Super nice and smooth, and yeah, I mean, you're able to 3D print large 3D prints, just like this full-size wearable helmet. And just to give you guys a little bit of a hint, this helmet is actually from Arc Raiders. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are interested and want to see what I do with this helmet build, make sure you guys like the video, and importantly, subscribe to the channel. That way you guys don't miss out on my project with this helmet from Arc Raiders. Now, back to Kratos' axe. Now, this is a project that I started a while back, and I just never got a chance to fully finish it. But in this video, let's put it all together. What I'm going to use to put together Kratos' axe, this stuff. And this stuff pretty much works instantly, and this is what I love to use when I'm putting things together. And this stuff is also what I used when I did my prop gun for the Anvil pistol from Arc Raiders as well. This is just a replica prop gun. I mean, it looks amazing. And I still need to do a paint job on this, but I mean, just how it is, I mean, it looks amazing. I love it. Again, it's from Arc Raiders. And if you guys have not played Arc Raiders yet, I mean, I would highly recommend you guys checking out Arc Raiders. It's an awesome game, and I believe it came out October 30th, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And it's actually my very first time playing an extraction game, to be honest, and I am just in love with it. But yeah, let's get right into it. So I just want to make sure that I find the pieces where they need to go. So this piece is going to go here. So what I am going to do is I am just going to apply this stuff to one side. So here we go. It doesn't have to be a crazy amount as well. Just a little bit will work. And for the other piece, you're just going to want to spray this stuff. So here we go. There we go. Nothing crazy. And look how fast this stuff works, guys. And why I love using this. So here we go. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 seconds, and this stuff is already set. So you're pretty much good to go. So, I mean, that was super, super fast. So for the other side, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Again, Not a crazy amount. The other side, I'm just going to spray this stuff. Okay. Again, watch how fast this stuff settles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done. And that thing is not coming off. I mean, look at that. Sweet. Okay, so it's looking pretty good so far. I mean, look at that detail. Again, this print was done off the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. And yeah, I mean, if you guys are in the market for a 3D printer that enables you to 3D print large prints, I highly recommend the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. Again, not a crazy amount, just a little bit will do. Not a crazy amount either. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're pretty much all set to go. That is done. All right, so we only got a little bit more to go. And I mean, yeah, this thing is looking pretty sweet. Okay. The other piece. All right. But yeah, this stuff is awesome. And I would highly recommend you guys using this. Again, if you guys piece together quite a bit of parts, it's instant and it gets the job done. All right, here we go. But yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting into 3D printing, I highly recommend 3D printing. I mean, it's crazy how you can just 3D print your very own Kratos Axe and just put it together. And if you guys are in the market for your very first 3D printer, I highly recommend the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. And for smaller 3D printers, I would highly recommend the Bambu Lab P1S. I also have an Anycubic Cobra S1 as well, which I also recommend, but I do have some issues with the Anycubic Cobra S1, which I will save for a different video. But the Bambu Lab P1S is an awesome 3D printer that I really highly recommend, which leads me to, I actually bought another Bambu Lab P1S that I still need to set up. And I also have a Bambu Lab P2S as well that is on the way. So I will be making a video on the Bambu Lab P2S as well once I do get it. But yeah, if you guys are in the market for 3D printers, again, I highly recommend the Bambu Lab P1S and the Bambu Lab P2S. And again, I highly recommend the Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes that I have right here. And again, this is the print quality that you guys can expect from the Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes. Very nice and smooth prints. But yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting into 3D printing, I highly recommend it, guys. It's a lot of fun. Again, you'll get to 3D print and create 3D prints like this. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like. And if you guys want to keep up to date on the projects that I do with 3D printing, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I hope this video was able to give you guys somewhat information about 3D printing, 3D printers, and give you guys an idea what you guys can look forward to when 3D printing. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.